Good morning, good afternoon, whatever the time is. It is October 30th. Happy Mischief Night all. But more importantly, welcome to Roosevelt Hill Cemetery. Well. I'm sure everyone's scene took a beating last night with the weather and rain and wind. I've never seen wind so furious, so crazy. I felt like it was a mini hurricane going on. I had to take, so many things blew over. These guys, these angels right up here. I mean, this is just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like during the day. But I had to get these angels put down, or they would have met the fate of so many angels that cracked last night. Me and the missus, we were repairing them with Gorilla Glue. Nothing we can't fix, but I'm glad I took some of these stuff down. But I tell you, some of these larger tombstones, I was wise. Finally, it only took me 5 years or so to stake those guys down. Those long obelisks. I don't really know how to say it. We are taking donations for the animal shelter on Halloween night. We will be ready to go despite weather, either tonight or depending if it's raining or whatnot. I usually leave a lot of this stuff vacant until Halloween. This is the entrance here. This fence blew the hell apart. I mean, it was just crazy. Never have I ever seen, like I said, seen wind come in so crazy. As the kids come up, I'm trying to do something on the roof where I can maybe put my projector here and shine an atmosphere. Look at the shadows on the, oh God, I love that. I want to shine like cockroaches coming up out of the ground. Obviously you can't do that when it's raining because I didn't build a box for it for all weatherproof. Maybe next year. As we continue, I leave a lot of this stuff vacant here because I have close to say maybe 17 mannequins, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be having seances. So, you know, all those old school Grandin Road ladies of the night. So the whole theme is pretty much women, Victorian, from the Victorian period. So you will see that in my next video. And again, I'm going to be putting more of the things on the pedestals here. These guys, miraculously, they held up, thank God. The pumpkins held up no problem. We've got a total of, I don't know, 60? Sounds about right. 60 pumpkins. We shine the light, or we shine the purple lights or black lights on the house, so it has a nice little glowing of purple. My old lamppost I didn't want to throw away, so I just wired it and got that kind of flicker effect. Yeah, and that's, oh yeah, forgot. And then up there in my daughter's room, that is where I'll do an atmosphere. I'll probably do Macabre Manor, whatever the family is. I kind of like that one. So I usually reserve this space here as well to do maybe another group in seances. So maybe a seance here, and then scattered mannequins all throughout. So anyway, this is what we got. Happy little haunt. I mean, I had to pick things up this morning, but it actually held up pretty well. I'm kind of pleased, thank God. So fog machines will come out tonight. I'll do a test run with that. I'll do a video at night as well. Other than that, Glenn from Roosevelt Hill signing off for now. Creep it real.